Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 pint of cold heavy cream, ideally with a milk fat content of 35% or higher. A stand mixer with a whisk attachment or a hand mixer will make the process much easier. Also, have a large bowl and a fine mesh sieve ready for the next steps. Let's get started. Now pour your very cold heavy cream into a large mixing bowl. Using your stand mixer or hand mixer, begin whipping the cream on medium-high speed. You'll notice it first transforms into soft peaks, then stiff whipped cream. Don't stop there. Keep mixing, and the cream will start to look grainy and yellow as the butter fat separates from the buttermilk. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the butter solids have clearly separated from the liquid, it's time to strain. Place a fine mesh sieve over another bowl and pour the mixture through it. The liquid collected is fresh buttermilk, which you can save for baking. Now, gently press the butter against the sieve to squeeze out more buttermilk. Transfer the butter to a clean bowl and rinse it under cold water, kneading it to remove any lingering buttermilk. After rinsing, continue to knead the butter to ensure all excess water is removed. This step is crucial for good texture and shelf life. If you prefer salted butter, now is the time to mix in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt per stick of butter, or to your taste. Form your butter into a block or sticks. Store your delicious homemade butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, or freeze it for longer storage. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.